Have you ever envisioned facing danger head-on, day in and day out? Today, we're diving deep into the exhilarating, heart-pounding challenges that our brave heroes confront with unwavering courage. Are you prepared to feel the rush and embrace the thrill? Buckle up, this adventure is about to begin. Designed for high-performance forestry work, showcases powerful tree harvesting abilities in action. Its robust build and precise control make navigating through dense timber areas efficient and effective. This machine's hydraulic power and agility enable it to tackle substantial trees with ease, proving essential in demanding forestry operations. The 100-inch tree spade is equipped with 4 powerful spades designed for seamless tree relocation. Each spade works in sync, carefully digging around the tree roots to lift and transplant large trees with precision. This robust tool is essential for moving mature trees, ensuring minimal disturbance to root systems. In this dangerous tree removal operation, a skilled team takes on a hollow, unstable tree. To manage the risk, they start by hoisting a lumberjack high with a crane, allowing precise cuts from top to bottom. Carefully sectioned, each part of the tree is brought safely to the ground, showcasing the team's expertise and commitment to safety. A powerful stump grinder roars to life, slicing through thick, stubborn roots with ease. This machine's robust rotating blade digs deep, chipping stumps and reducing them to mulch in minutes. With its advanced hydraulics and precise control, it's built to tackle the toughest stumps and make quick work of land clearing, transforming dense terrain into smooth ground, ready for the next phase. A powerful skidder grips a massive log, dragging it steadily across rugged terrain. With each pull, it shows off both the machine's raw strength and the operator's skillful control, maneuvering the load through tight spaces and over obstacles. This workhorse makes light of the heavy task, proving itself indispensable in moving large timber out of the forest with efficiency. A forestry harvester tackles trees with precision and power, each movement designed for maximum efficiency. With its extendable arm and powerful saw head, the harvester makes quick work of felling and processing timber, cutting trees to precise lengths and stacking them in neat piles. This machine transforms the logging process, combining strength and control to streamline timber extraction in challenging environments. The Ponce Scorpion King moves seamlessly through the forest, expertly harvesting timber with its precise and agile boom. Its advanced hydraulics and multifunctional harvester head make quick work of each tree, cutting and processing with remarkable efficiency. This powerhouse machine exemplifies strength and finesse, transforming challenging terrain into a smooth operation. The Ohm EFTS 400 firewood processor powers through logs with precision, efficiently cutting and splitting them into firewood-ready pieces. Designed for versatility, it handles large volumes with ease, optimizing productivity for every job. This processor's robust build and high splitting force make it a perfect choice for streamlined firewood production. The homemade log splitter is a marvel of wood processing technology, featuring 4 ultra-durable cutting blades that effortlessly tackle large logs. Its hydraulic arm provides impressive power and precision, ensuring that even the toughest wood is split into manageable pieces with ease. Equipped with 4 sturdy cutting blades, it can handle logs of various sizes, ensuring smooth and efficient splitting. The hydraulic mechanism allows for quick adjustments, maximizing productivity while minimizing operator fatigue, making it an indispensable tool for any timber enthusiast. The combination of its heavy-duty blades and reliable hydraulic arms allows it to break down even the most challenging logs into smaller, manageable pieces. This machine not only improves workflow but also enhances safety, as it reduces the physical strain on operators, allowing them to work smarter and more effectively in the field. The massive truck confronts a treacherous, muddy path, but its driver skillfully navigates through, relying on years of experience and the truck's formidable power. With ease, the vehicle conquers this challenging terrain, demonstrating the strength of machinery in the logging industry. Facing a perilous muddy stretch, the enormous truck showcases its capabilities as the seasoned driver maneuvers through the slick conditions. Thanks to a combination of expertise and the truck's robust design, it successfully overcomes the hazardous road without a hitch. Transporting dozens of tons of heavy rock, this truck requires the assistance of an excavator and heavy-duty loader to make it up the steep incline. With the combined strength of these powerful machines, nothing seems impossible, proving the effectiveness of teamwork in challenging situations. The truck finds itself stuck in thick mud, unable to proceed without help. A heavy-duty tractor comes to the rescue, showcasing the collaboration needed in logging operations to overcome obstacles. With a slippery and muddy road ahead, the truck struggles to climb the hill but perseveres against the odds. After a couple of attempts, it finally achieves success, demonstrating determination and the capabilities of modern machinery. Two heavy-duty trucks pull together through a muddy stretch, their immense weight slowing them down significantly. Despite the challenges, their combined effort highlights the sheer power of these machines as they make their way forward. This overloaded timber truck faces significant difficulties on the slick and muddy road, struggling to advance. Each moment presents a challenge, showcasing the obstacles that come with transporting heavy loads in tough conditions. The overloaded wood truck battles against a slippery, muddy path, making progress increasingly difficult. As it maneuvers through, the challenges of the terrain are evident, emphasizing the hurdles faced in the logging industry.